Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a testing video. So I'm going to be testing out the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. So this has recently just come out and I'm really hyped about on the internet in the past few weeks. So I just wanted to get it and see if it is actually worth the hype. So if you'd like to know my review and first impressions on this mascara, then be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and just keep watching. Okay, so this is the packaging right here. So it's got kind of like a galaxy vibe kind of going on the side, and on the back you've got all the information. It's quite large, it's quite large packaging for a mascara, which is pretty good because it fits all the information on, which I think is pretty good. And then it's got more information kind of down the side here, so there's more of that galaxy background, and then you've got little points about the mascara, and then kind of on the inside bit here you've got some pictures and percentages and stuff like that. I'm just gonna read kind of off what's on the packaging. So it's a 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara. The wand on the brush has a big volume reach of 360 degrees, and it's streamlined to easily reach root to tip, corner to corner, and upper and lower lashes. It says it's got a gravity-defying formula which includes massive volume without weighing down lashes, and layers easily for bigger and bigger impact, which is good because I want to test how many layers I can get on. Includes aero particles, which is one of the lightest known materials that's derived from space technology. Pretty much all it says on the back. That's all in a different language. Then down the side here it's got some more points, so it says it's an intense pitch black colour. So then it also says it's got pro vitamin B5, known to fuel thickness and strength. So then it says it's smudge proof and flake free, which is good because you don't want a flaky mascara, especially when you're paying as much as this. Then it's also water resistant, which I think is good. It doesn't say it's waterproof, so obviously if you're going to go swimming, don't wear this because it is going to come off. Water resistant, so you know, if, I don't know, maybe if you're going out and it's raining, it's not going to just run off your face. It will kind of, you know, resist that, but not, you know, if you're going to shower in it, then, you know, it's not going to resist that. Like a before and after shot of the mascara. That's obviously the before, and then that's apparently what it's supposed to look like, but obviously we're going to be testing that. First of all, I love the packaging. I love the cap of it. It's got little spikes on it. It kind of looks like an arrow. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. It's like an arrow or a dart to me. That's what it looks like. So it's got a little pointy edge there, and obviously it says Benefit Bad Gal blah blah on there. So that looks pretty good. It looks very nice. The packaging is an A+ for me. The only thing is it's that kind of rubbery, it's still plastic, but it's kind of that rubbery kind of outer material that if you've got foundation on your hands and you pick this up, it's going to go on it. But I'm sure you can still wipe it and it'll be fine. For price, this retails in the UK for £20.50, which I think is okay. So I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know if it will be worth that much, but Benefit, they're not a drugstore brand. Obviously they're sold in Boots, which counts as a drugstore here in the UK, but it's not of a drugstore price. If you've watched my channel before and you know me, then you'll know that the Too Faced mascara is my ride or die mascara. It's just the best for me, and this is around the £20 mark as well, but I think it's worth it because it's just so good. And now let's get to testing the mascara because I know that's what we're here for. So obviously I don't have anything on my eyes, so obviously just got eyeshadow. I tight lined a bit. I didn't put any eyeliner on the tops, on the top of my lash line, because I thought, you know, we'll apply mascara, we need to see the full lid. And I've just curled my eyelashes as normal, so I've done everything as I normally would. So let's zoom in. So right off the bat, already it's you can see the volume already. It's made my lash line look a lot thicker than this one if you look at the difference. So it kind of looks like you've got false eyelashes on, and also it's kind of flared out my lashes in a good way, so it doesn't look, they're not all kind of, you know, when they just kind of go like that and they're just separated too much and they just look like you have 4 eyelashes. It doesn't look like that. It's kept them all together, so they're all still kind of clustered together, and it's just, ooh, I really like this so far. The brush isn't tugging on my lashes at all either. It's very, very soft. It's quite gentle, but you can still really get in there. Oh, okay, look at that. So that's like, obviously I've only dipped it in once. I'm going to see how much I can get off. Oh, I'm liking this so far. Okay, so that's as much, I think, as is coming off from dipping in once. And look at that. Wow. So also there's no transfer on the top of my lids, which is very good because I have very light eyeshadow on as well. And I'm blinking and they're not sticking to my lower lashes either. So I'm going to go in for a second time and just do a second coat and see how that goes, because it's supposed to be clump free as well. Oh my god, wow. This, like, it just lengthens them so much as well. Okay, so I can see like the tiniest clumps on the top, but if you just go like that, then it's gone. They're not going all the way through the lashes, they're just literally at the top. So you can just pick it off like that and it's clump free. But oh my god, I really like this. But you know, it does, so that is 2 coats of it. I'm not going to put another coat on because I don't want to look completely insane. But wow, I think that looks really nice. That is very, very volumizing and very lengthening as well. I know it doesn't claim, does it claim to be lengthening? Not really. It doesn't claim to be that lengthening, to be honest, but it definitely has give it volume and length compared to, you know, my lashes on this side. But you know what? I really like it. I think you can tell that you've got mascara on, obviously, but yeah, so obviously if you're after a natural mascara, you ain't gonna like this because you can tell that you're wearing mascara. I'm just gonna go apply 2 more coats on the other and then I'll be back. And I think I'm gonna do the lower lashes. I know I don't usually because I personally don't like how lower lash mascara looks on me. For the sake of this video, I am going to test the lower lashes because it does say that it is good for the lower lash line as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go coat up this side of my eyes and then I'll be right back. So this is what the lashes are looking like now. So I just went and added mascara onto the other ones. Oh my god, I feel literally, I don't think my eyelashes have ever been this long. And I know I've got naturally long eyelashes anyway, but oh my god, I really like it. Look at them. Wow. So now that they're all done, I'm just going to try the lower lash line. Lower lashes even. Ooh. So that is them all done. I don't know, I don't like how lower lash mascara looks on me. I think it's just a bit too much. But yeah, that is it. So obviously I don't think the lower lashes have completely dried, but they're not sticking together. It feels great, it looks great. So my final thoughts, 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this mascara. I think for every day, I wouldn't wear it on a daily basis just because I prefer a more natural looking mascara. Definitely use this again. I do really enjoy it. I think it's really good for nights out. I feel like even if you mix this with another mascara, it will look great. I know I will definitely be trying this alongside my Too Faced one because I feel like this will kind of de-clump it a tiny bit. Like, it will make it look more natural. Whereas this is just full blown, you know, thickness, which it says on the packaging, so it's pretty honest. So I feel like these two together will be amazing. So do I prefer it more than my Too Faced one? No chance. This is probably a close second. It's definitely up there with the Too Faced one. Do really love it, and I mean, come on. They look pretty good. I don't think you need fake eyelashes. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, leave me some comments down below if you're interested in trying this mascara, or even if you don't care for it, if you're just not gonna bother. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Then it says it's smudge proof. If you're interested in